Hi, Miss, this is my experiment. What are the steps for the project? The steps of my project are: first steps, open a bottle of a soda pop and set it on a table. Second step, immediately slip the end of a balloon over next of the table. Pull the balloons and well down over the bottles so that it fits tightly. What happened during the experiment? During my experiment, it happens that the balloons begin to inflate to the carbon dioxide gas. What is the result of the experiment? The result of my experiment is that since there is more gas in the bottles than outside, the pressure inside increasing and the gas tries to escape. Since the balloon is flexible, the gas fills the balloon by inflating. Thank you, Miss, for your attention.